We're down here in the car show on Eastern. And there's Ryan. All the vets seem to congregate over here, so we'll start on this aisle, eh? From Colorado. $1968 L89.
I know. We haven't even paid on the last ticket yet.
There you go.
The guy that the sales guy charged the prices. Go back. People understand the benefits of switching over and not.
So what's going on, folks? It's Saturday morning. The weather's great here in Las Vegas. We're down here at the car show on Eastern. It's a badass vet. That's Mike back there. He's a local photographer. Got a little racing Toyota. Japanese muscle car. There's Carl and his Ratson. What's going on, man? What's up, guys?
How you been?
All right. There's Noah's. Dotson with the rotary.
Yeah. What they ended up doing is because they only like spot welded 3 spots. Yeah. They popped off one night. I remember you hearing
Yeah, popcorn machine. That's Noah. You're live on Facebook. What's going on? Those are badass. I like it. Marauder. Pretty clean ride.
Okay, sounds good.
Demon. We got Toyota Supra. What's going on, Bill? Should have the bus down here, man. Oh, that sucks, man. Shouldn't be working on a Saturday. especially one as nice as today.
At least the original metal is still there, you know what I mean? So,
We're live on Facebook, man.
What's the word, buddy?
Just hanging out, enjoying the crowd. That's cool, Dodson. What year was that, Dodson? 64?
Yes. I believe it was 64.
Gotta get this live thing on and I'll catch up with you. I think it's pretty badass. Gotta go check out my buddy's new Mustang. Well, there goes Mr. Tom Knuckle. And the Hemi. The hearse. I'm sorry, it wasn't a Hemi, but still nice. The little doggy. Alright, moving a little fast, folks. Sorry. Yeah, there's his new Stang. If you watch my stuff before, he drives the green Cobra, but this is his new car, Eleanor. Sorry, I got my screen dim, guys. It's hard to see the writing on there. I apologize. Awesome ride, though. We still got several aisles to go, folks. There's some Camaros. And a lot of people.
Hey, John, what's you guys doing?
Oh, okay.
Nice seeing you again.
Okay. We're heading to Brooklyn.
It's Acura. So check it out. I like the color. This one here is for sale. I don't know how much, but it got a phone number on it. There you go. If you're interested, there's the phone number. Chevy SS. You guys like Chevy SS? There's a memory lane, guys.
Hey, that's still sensitive. I saw Tony last week. That's still sensitive, bro.
The first time with the seat because of that. So they had left these tabs on
I love the classics. Alrighty, looks like we're gonna have to double do an aisle. Maybe I missed something.
This is busy.
Gonna head on over to the other side, folks.
I just gotta finish the MSD. Hook up the
January 25th. We're hanging out at the car show on Eastern. The car show Las Vegas. Anybody want to see Mopars? There's some Mopars over here. Whew. Bump it. Look, that one got wings. We got a goat. Nice setup. Lots of rides here today, folks. The place is packed. Man, look at all the Mopars here. That's some bright greenage right there. We're gonna go check out the General Lee. How about that? You guys want to see the General Lee? Give me a thumbs up if you want to see the General Lee. There she goes. That thing is awesome. It's got just the right amount of dirt on it. Pretty clean example. Yeah, check out the Porsche. I love the color. There's another. Because the Spot On Eastern has everything, folks, from Porsches, Lamborghinis, and a lot of classic cars, sports cars, everything. Everybody's welcome here. Yeah.
What's going on? You had a hard time getting up or what?
I'm just walking around live. You're on live on Facebook, man. There's a celebrity tent.
Yeah.
There goes Helio's ride.
Yeah.
Original owner had a New Jersey. Jersey. What does it do with the green Cobra? That's his new ride, the Eleanor. Gotta check it out, yeah. I'll catch up with you in a minute.
Okay.
My buddy's rat. Let's see what they got back here. Dirty Honda. There's a lot of people here today, folks. Hard to get good shots. That's slick.
set the salt flask, and you connect it to this device.
Am I going too fast for you guys? Or are you enjoying the video? The walk around, the car show on Eastern.
I think it was $100 for it.
Yeah. I like the Chevelle. Can't tell if the sun's too bright, folks. Can't see my screen. How about that classy thing? There's another regular. He's here every Saturday. That killer T-Bird. Well, that's pretty much it. There's an old car back here on a trailer we'll go check out and sign off from the car show. Las Vegas. Out here on Eastern. That's pretty cool. And that's pretty noisy. My buddy Lee's Toyota, original owner. Thing is low miles, clean truck. Oh, check it out. Is it running? Oh, it was running. I missed it. I'm a little slow. Yep, it was running. Smells good. Oh, wow.
All the other cars are tilted out.
Window opens in the front. That's pretty freaking cool.
29 palms since 1926.
Wow. I love that front window. That's cool.
Man, I'll tell you, I drove it in when it was hot. I thought this was for the rim shear rates. It's like cranking. I saw the window roll. I'll tell you what. It dropped. Once you get running.
Right on.
How many owners?
That thing's pretty cool, man. Well, there you go. It's a classic. It's a runner. It's a runner. Wait, I see two more cars. There you go. The Jaguar. And the 392 Hemi. And some guy that just wants to drive by me. Alrighty, folks. That's it from the car show down here on Eastern. You guys got to come back next Saturday. Every Saturday. Peace. How do you turn it off?